Dear student, the problem number is 7. Okay, so this problem is based on a third stage methods. Okay, uh, a hexagonal pyramid base 30 mm side and axis 60 mm long has one of its slant edge on HP. Okay, such that two of its triangular face containing the slant edge on which its rest are equally inclined to HP. Okay, the top view of the axis appears to be inclined at 45 degree to VP. Okay, draw its projection when its base is nearer to the observer than its apex. Okay, so this problem carries 15 marks. So this problem is asked in the year April-May 2016. So this problem is the third stage method. Okay, remaining from problem number 1 to 6 are second stage method. So problem number 7. So this is the third stage methods. Okay, so now I am going to draw the XY line. So this is the X and Y. Okay, so here I am going to write VP by HP, that is vertical plane and horizontal plane, right? So hexagonal pyramid base side is 30 mm. Okay, so this is sorry the main important to think about what kind of arrangement to draw the top view. The slant edge on the HP, okay, such that two of its triangular face containing the slant edge on which the rest are equally inclined to the HP. That means the slant edge of the hexagonal pyramid will be rest on the HP. So that means here I am going to draw the horizontal line at a distance of 30 mm. So this distance is nothing but a base edge of the hexagonal pyramid. So for hexagonal pyramid I am going to mark the 60 degree. So this is the 60 degree, and here also from this point mark 60 degree. Okay, so from this point, from this marked point to here should be 30 mm. So this is the 30 mm line. Similarly, from this marked point to this end point, draw the 30 mm at an angle 60 degree. Okay, so here I am going to make it some arrangement, proper arrangement to draw the hexagonal of the base. Okay, so take the distance of base edge. Okay, draw the mark line on this point. Similarly, from this point we have to draw the mark point. Okay, so this indicates 30 mm, right? So this is the correct position of base of the hexagonal pyramid. Okay, pyramid is nothing but all the slant edges of the hexagonal pyramids are visible. So we can draw the slant edges like this. Right, So these are the 6 slant edges. Okay, so here I am going to make the point A, B, C, D, E, and this is F, and this is center O. Okay, in bracket O1 is invisible point. Okay, so this is the distance 30 mm. Right, so draw the projection of line, vertical line from each corner of the hexagonal pyramid, okay, to meet the xy line, and this is the center line, and okay, so all these are the projection of a vertical line to meet the xy line from this center of the hexagonal pyramid. Okay, so its axis height is 60 mm. Okay, draw the line from to meet this point like this. Okay, so this should A dash is visible point, B dash is visible point, F dash is invisible point, C dash is visible point, E dash is invisible point, D dash is visible point. In bracket letters are invisible point and remaining are visible point. Okay, so this is the O dash. Okay, and this is O1. Right, so height of the axis is 60 mm. Right, so this is the height 60 mm. So this is the first stage of front view and second stage of first stage of top view. First stage of front view and this is the first stage of top view. Now let us, I am going to draw the second stage of front view and second stage of top view. Similarly, third stage of front view and third stage of top view. So this method is the third stage method. Okay, so let us to draw the mark one point here. So this point is D. So O to D is nothing but a slant edge. So this is the slant edge. Right, so here I am going to mark the point D. So D to OE to measure with the help of this divider. Right, so mark here. So this point is O dash. Okay, so the same distance from here to here we can draw, and same thing D to A is to be draw. Right, so this point is A. And join the remaining line. So in the question paper, one of its slant edge. So this O to D, this O to D is nothing but slant edge. Okay, so this slant edge will be rest on the HP. Okay, so mark the line from each corner. So this is also same distance from here to here, and same distance is to be taken from O to D. Right, okay, draw the line from each point this is center line, that is axis, okay, and this is the slanted edge, okay. So this is A dash, B dash, bracket F dash, O dash, C dash in bracket E dash, and this is D dash, okay. So draw the vertical line from the second stage of the front view. Okay, similarly draw the horizontal line from the first stage of the top view. Right, so here I am going to make the two coincide of the object, A to A, so this is the A, and B to B, so this is the B, and C to C, and D to D, and E to E, okay, and F to F, okay. So the top view of the hexagonal pyramid are all the lines, all the base edges are visible, hence to draw the dashed line. Okay, from the top view all these base edges of the pyramid are visible, and center O to this O, this is O point, okay. O to F is visible line, O to E is invisible line, O to A is O to A is visible line, O to D is invisible line, O to C is visible line, and O to so this is invisible line, O to C is invisible line, and O to D is visible line, okay. So O to E is at the bottom of the surface, that means O to E line is rest on the HP, and similarly O to C, okay. So this is the second stage of front view, and this is the second stage of front view, second stage of top view, and let us to draw the third stage, okay. So in the problem, the top view of the axis appears to be inclined at 45 degree to VP, okay. Here I am going to draw the extent of XY line, okay. So here I am going to make it one point here. From this point draw the 45 degree to VP, right. Okay, see, this point is called as what? Apex, okay. In the last question they mentioned clearly, draw its projection when its base is nearer to the observer than its apex. Okay, so this is the apex and this is the base of the hexagonal pyramid. The base of the hexagonal pyramid is nearer to the observer than its apex. Okay, so this is the angle 45 degree to VP, right? The same position of the second stage of top view is to be drawn here. That means this position is to be inclined at 45 degree. The same position of this base of the top view of the hexagonal pyramid in the second stage is to be inclined at an angle 45 degree, right? So here I am going to mark one simple point, right? From D to O distance is to be marked. Right? So this is the O and this is the O, and this is the D and this is D, right? From D to A, D to A, so this is the A, right? And we should draw the D to distance from here to here. This is the distance. Draw the mark line, and same here also. Okay, so from this two point, draw the horizontal line to this line. Okay, that means it should be perpendicular, like this. Okay, these two lines is perpendicular to this line. Okay, from D to E, okay, from D to E to be measured. So this is the D, and mark the line. Same distance here also. Okay, so D to E, right? Same distance from here to B to A. So this is the A and this is the B. And same A to F, A to F. So this is the E and F, and this is C and B. So join the line from each point. Okay, the same has to be drawn here. Okay, so similarly draw the line from F to O, and E to O is invisible line. It should be drawn dotted line, and O to D is invisible line, and O to A is visible line. O to B is also visible line. O to C is invisible line. Okay, so the same position of the second stage of top view is inclined at 45 degree, right? So from this third stage of the this is the third stage of the top view. Okay, so from this position we have to draw the vertical line from each corner. Right, and similarly draw the horizontal line from second stage of front view. Right, see, this is the point A and A are coincided here, A, and this is the point B, this is the point B are coincided here, right, and this is the point C, and this point C are meet at this point. Okay, and D to D will be meet here, right. Similarly E to E, F to F. Okay, it's complete the base of the hexagonal pyramid, and center O to O. So sorry, this is O, O to O, this is O, right. So all the A to B, B to C, C to D, D to E, E to F, F to A are visible lines. That means base sides of the hexagonal pyramid are visible in the front view. So draw the line like this. Okay, right. O to A is invisible line, right. O to B is visible line, O to C is visible line, O to D is also visible line, and O to E is invisible line, right, and O to F is also invisible line. Okay, so this is the front view of a third stage, right. So exactly this is the first stage, this is the second stage, and this is the third stage. Okay, thank you.